Hey guys, so we finally got our first frost last night and it is time to harvest the sweet potatoes. So I'm excited to see what we get. Massive! You have to be so careful pulling these up. Literally, just your fingers can scratch the skin of these guys. So that kind of sucks, but we'll see what we get here. Down there. I'm just gonna have to keep on digging. And that one broke. Cut the other part there. So it seems like we're gonna get a pretty decent harvest. I've only dug up this portion of the bed here. We still have all that to go, and that's what we got so far. With these. It's a good one. Potatoes here and count our harvest. Probably missed a few in there somewhere, but I'll maybe take a double look after and we'll see. looking sweet potatoes here. Oh, there's a good one. Beautiful. Another carrot guy. Hard work. We got a decent harvest, and gotta go wash my hands now. So if you guys have a better way of harvesting sweet potatoes, let me know, because I broke a few and scratched a bunch, and yeah, I was trying to be as careful as I could, but here we are. See you guys.